Calibrating the UV sensor. Relative sensor. Once you have replaced the UV lamp and/or the UV sensor, you must recalibrate the sensor. To calibrate the UV sensor, you must first log in as an installer. Log in as an installer using the code 1891. Enter the code using the plus and minus buttons. Confirm the code and your user level will change from user to installer. Then return to the main menu. From the main menu, go to the UV Sensors menu. Open the settings here and select the Set Point menu. Set the set point. This is automatically set to the current value measured by the sensor. Have you only replaced the UV sensor? If so, set Interpret As to 100%. For a new lamp, use 110% as the default value. This is entered automatically. The UV sensor is now calibrated.